Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out a really exciting Maybelline product. I have the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint in my hot little hands. I was actually sent all 4 shades. I'm a bit hesitant between both shades. I've got medium brown and light brown. I probably should go the light brown considering I'm quite fair at the moment, but I do like a darker brow. So if you haven't heard of this product before, it's basically a product that you apply to your brow, you leave for 20 minutes, and then you peel it off like a tattoo and it stains your brows. It is meant to last 2 to 3 days, so not a huge amount of time, but I think the concept is really cool and it's really got a lot of people intrigued and wanting to know more about it and seeing the results and everything like that. You know what? I'm gonna go the light brown today. So basically, the instructions are on the side. It says apply it, let it dry for at least 20 minutes and then peel it. Haven't been this close to a camera for a long time. Brushing my brows into place. Okay. So the product is quite thick. Kind of feels like you're putting tar on your brows. Look at that long one at the end. What you doing? So there's one side done. It's pretty easy to apply, to be honest. I always do that other brow better. The one that I did first. So there's 2 brows applied. Hey Siri, can you please set a timer for 20 minutes?
Okay, 20 minutes and counting.
So I'm just gonna leave that for 20 minutes and maybe go do the dishes and then come back and peel it off. I actually haven't watched anyone else's review on this. I've just seen like a few Instagram videos. I look so weird right now with really dark brows. Okay, cool. Well, I will see you soon. Okay guys, it's been about 25 minutes. My timer went off, but I was doing something. I'm actually really nervous. Let's go ahead and peel this off. You peel from the front. I don't know if this is, I don't think I put it on thick enough. Nah, I didn't actually put it on thick enough. Just a heads up, you need to put it on a lot thicker. So, because there's literally like nowhere to grab it. So I'm gonna go and put some more on because I can't actually take it off. So you must need to like pack it on. Okay, so that's my number 1 mistake. People are gonna watch this and be like, oh my god, why is she even making videos? She's so dumb. So you actually need to use a whole lot of product. I've honestly never done any of these products before. I actually thought that I put enough on, but you must need to pack it on like that. Please tell me someone else has done this before. I feel like I literally used half of it then. So yeah, let's time that again. Okay, so the second timer has gone off. Let's hope this works this time. Oh my god. I feel like I'm pulling off my brow hairs. I can break. I just peeled off brow hairs. Okay, so there. It's missed a bit up here. Okay, there we go. Alright, just in case you wanted to see the remains. I actually think that that's done a pretty good job. It's definitely not the right tone for me. So that was light brown. I think it's a bit too warm. Let's get some flaky bits off. Okay, so now we have this side to do. This side is going to be a little bit harder because I cannot see. It's just like not peeling off altogether for me, but it may be the 2 layers. Okay, that one worked a lot better. This is so silly that I'm holding this up. Just peeling off the rest, the remaining. So there's the final results. Now, I might fix up my face. Just gonna carve them out a little bit. See if that helps. Okay, so this is the finished result of my brow tattoo. You know what? Like up close, I was just like, but looking at like in the camera and from a bit further away, it's actually really good for not having any product in my brows. Usually my brows are pretty non-existent. Of course you would have seen how fair they are. So I think that's pretty good. I definitely would prefer a more cool toned color for my brows, and I will be interested to see how long this actually lasts, because most people have said 2 to 3 days. I still feel like for the makeup look that I plan to do today, I will still fill in my brows. I have heard that you're not meant to really wash the brows once you have applied it. That does extend the longevity of the tint on the brows. Next time, I do think I'll try the medium brown just to see if there's really a difference. But this one here is light brown, so now you have a kind of look onto what it is. I know I've seen a lot of darker colors being used, and I know my friend Tanya MUA, she'd use the black, and it looks amazing on her, but she has really good brows anyway. Whereas mine, I don't know, they're still hanging in there. But this was a really fun video to film, and I'm glad I finally tested it out. It's a little, look, let's be honest, it's a little bit gimmicky. I think that you could spend the money and go get your brows tinted and it would last longer. But if you're a bit scared of doing that and wanted to see how it looked before you definitely went and did it, I would recommend this product for trying it out at home. I don't think you can really mess it up that bad, because I messed it up really bad by not applying enough product, and then I applied a second layer and waited again, and it worked still. Obviously shape the brow the way that you want it to be, and you don't want it to get on any random hairs kind of thing. But yeah, this was really fun. That's it from me today. Hope you guys are doing really well, and I will see you soon. Bye.